With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that the decline in the hearing power begins after the age of, so here there are four options given: 50 years, 35 years, 45 years and 10 years. So the right answer for this is 50 years. So what happens? The hearing is the function of the ear. Now ear has got certain hair cells in the organ of the corti. Now these hair cells, they begin to degenerate. While the number of the hair cells, they begin to degenerate, the hearing power will decrease, and this occurs after 50 years of age. So here we can see that option number 1 is the right answer for this question, while we see that the 35 years, 45 years or 10 years is too early to say that there will be decline in the hearing power. So the organ of the corti which lies in the cochlea, so there is organ of corti which consists of the sensory cells, and these sensory cells have got certain hair on them, while the axons of these sensory cells will form the auditory nerve, and this auditory nerve is to be carried to the auditory cortex of the brain where the hearing impulses will be analyzed. So this is going to decline after 50 years of age. So here we can mark option number 1 as the correct answer for this question. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.